What's up, everybody? It's AJ with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to answer the question, how do electric brakes work? We got electric brakes on the trailer behind me today, and we're going to look at how they work on the trailer. Now, I know that there is electric over hydraulic brakes as well. Those are for heavier duty trailers or boat trailers. We're not really going to focus on that today. We're going to mainly stick with the regular electric brakes. Now, with electric brakes, it all starts in the tow vehicle. You're going to need to get a brake controller. You can get an OEM factory one, or you can get an aftermarket one like we have right here. The brake controller is going to either plug or wire into your vehicle, and what it's going to do is send a signal back to your trailer to apply the brakes. So then that's going to work with hitting the pedal, sends it back, or the manual override here is also going to send the signal back to your electromagnetic brakes and apply them to stop it. Here at the back of the vehicle, we're going to stop real quick and show you how this all works. So this is going to be the connection point between the vehicle and the trailer. Comes to our 7-pole here. This is where the signal is sent out of, and we use the legend here, but you can also use a tester to figure out which one works for you. This one up here is going to be the one that sends the brake signal out through the 7-pole and to the trailer. So you don't really need to know what pin it is. We were just showing you for troubleshoot purposes. If you need to look at the pins, you can do that, but go ahead and plug in your 7-pole and you should be good to go. If you want to know more about the wiring on your specific vehicle, you can check our site, eTrailer.com, put your vehicle in the fit guide, and there'll be video breakdowns on how to exactly install the wiring for your vehicle. Now let's go to the back of the trailer, remove the wheel, and take a look at the wheel assembly. We're going to go into how it gets its power. You're going to see the wires coming here through the back to go to the brake assembly. Now we have 4 here. That's only because 2 of the other ones go through the axle to the other side. So there's still only 2 wires going inside. There's going to be a power and a ground. The polarity doesn't matter. You can set them up however you want. But once it goes in there, it's going to magnetize that magnet on the inside, and that's going to activate the brakes. We have a display set up because it's easier to show you here than it is on the trailer. Here's the magnet. You can see the wires that come in through the backside, run down to that. When it gets its power, the magnet's going to catch on the inside of the drum here, which is going to cause the arm to move, which is then going to cause the brake shoes to come out and expand, catch on the sides, and stop your trailer. So that's how the electric brakes work. Once you have everything set up and plugged in, then you go back to your brake controller and you can adjust your brakes. That's one of the main advantages of electric brakes, is that ability to adjust the gain. So if there's less gain, the braking can be less intense. If you up the gain, then it's going to have more of an intense stopping power. Hopefully this helps you figure out how the electric brakes work with your trailer and your vehicle. If you have any other questions, let us know. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos of ours, we got plenty of content. eTrailer is all about helping our neighbors with whatever problems they have. If it's making install videos to show them how to put a hitch on their vehicle, or answering questions for them from the experts, or even when you call in and ask us questions, we're here to help with your adventure.